I'm going to show you features of the Jamboard. I'm going to go pretty fast. I'm only going to show something one time, but this is a video so you can pause it if you need to. A Jamboard is like a Google Doc. You can edit the title. You can undo anything that you do. So if I change the background, but I want to undo it, I just click the undo button. You can change the background. You can clear whatever you do. So if I put a shape in there and I put a sticky note, I can clear everything. Right here shows you what other Jamboards you can see. So if you go here, you can see that I only have one Jamboard. If I wanted to make another one, all I do is click the plus sign. Now I have 3 Jamboards. And I can always change my Jamboards. I can copy them once I've made them and make new ones. If I want to collapse this, I just go like that and it's gone. I can also go in between all the Jamboards that I have. I have 5. I can scroll through them this way, or I can scroll through them this way. Along the left-hand side is the menu for all the different items that you can use. You can use a pen, which I'm going to change my background so you can see my pens. You can use a pen and change the colors. You can use a marker and change the colors. You can use a highlighter. And you can also use a paintbrush. You can erase everything. And then you can use this to select things once you've made them. You can make sticky notes. And just like with anything on a Jamboard, if you click the arrow to select it, and you see the 3 little dots, that's telling you there's something more to it. If you click the 3 dots, then you can either edit it, you can duplicate this sticky note or object, or you can delete it. If you see the little blue arrow, the little blue select circles, that means you can make it bigger or smaller if you drag, or you can rotate it. If we go here to picture, we can add a picture, we can upload it, or we can search it. So I had searched a Lego head, but I can search the Black Panther. I want to insert a picture of T'Challa. Then I just click insert. If I want to add a shape, I can add any kind of shape I want. I can change the color that the shape is, or the outside of the color of the shape. And then lastly, I'm going to clear my frame so you can really see good. You can type anything you want. Just like with the other shapes, if you have the arrow, you can pull to make it bigger, smaller, rotate it, and copy it if you wanted to. This is a laser pointer for when you're presenting. You can circle things, but it does go away.